Hi, teacher. Fruits, Doña Mari. My favorite store I call Fruits Doña Mari. They are many fruits on the Mari courts I prance. Fruits Doña Mari offers you have green berry, a delicious fruit. How much do those green apple cost? Costs one alphabet dollars. They are very delicious. 2. How much do these red apples cost? They cost $1. They are weight and rate. 3. The pear, how much does it cost? Costs eggs does $1 is green and swing. 4. How much do dozen banana cost? They cost $2 are yellow. How much does this mango cost? Costs $1.5. Every swing I red under Austin, I yellow under instinct. 6. How much the Dutch orange cost? Orange. They cost $1 are yellow and have a lot of vitamin C. 7. How much does this pineapple cost? Costs $4 is yellow undercolors and the spin is on top. Thank you, very good teacher.